Welcome guys, and in this video we are going to see how to install Python for Windows. Okay, so in order to install Python, just type download Python over the search tab of Google, and I have already typed it, so I am clicking over it, and just open this first link, download Python from www.python.org. That is the official website, so it's opening, and then you can see here the download Python 3.11.2 version. Okay, so just click over here and let me click. So it has started to download. You can see over the top right corner, right? So now it has installed. Okay, so just click over it and okay, let it open. So it opened and we need to click over the install now, and now click over yes, and then it is installing. Okay, so it will take a little bit of time. Okay, so it has installed, and now we will close this particular pop-up. So now if you need to check that whether Python has been installed over your system or not, so just open the command prompt and simply type here py. So you can see here that the version which we have installed, 3.11.2, is appearing over here. Okay, so you can see 3.11.2 which we have installed. So just type py and it will give you the version of the Python inside your system. Okay, so now what these three arrows are indicating, these three arrows are indicating that we can do our coding here also. Okay, we can do our coding here also. We will not do here, but just for your knowledge I'm telling. Okay, so this is basically known as Python shell, and it is the most raw form where we can code the Python code in Python language. Okay, so it is the most raw form. Since Python is an interpreted language, that means that line by line, each and every line is being interpreted and the output is coming. Here, we will write one line and the output will come because it is the most raw form. Here, we cannot execute a chunk of code. For example, if I need to print something in my Python language, then I need to write print and then these parentheses and single inverted comma or double inverted comma as per your wish. And for example, I'm writing Shivansh. Okay, if I enter over here, then Shivansh has been printed as output, and again we need to write the second line or the second piece of code. Okay, so this is how we can code in the Python shell. Okay, it is giving line by line output. Here it is very difficult to execute a complete chunk of code or any piece of logic, right? So we will not code here, but we can code here. For example, if I write a is equals to 10 and then b is equals to 30, and then if I write a plus b, okay, then it will give me 40. So why this happened? Because line by line it is interpreting the lines and then giving us the output. Okay, and why I haven't declared any data type over here, because Python is a dynamically typed language. We do not need to declare any data type that int a is equals to 10, int b is equals to 10, okay, b is equals to 30. We do not need to do all these things. Like we do not need to declare data type like string, double, float, integer. Okay, it is a dynamically typed language. That means that Python itself is able to know that what kind of data type you have given. Okay, we do not need to provide it like Java. Okay, so this is what basically installing Python is, and this is what basically Python shell is, and this is the most raw form where we can code our Python. We can code in Python language. Okay, so uh, in the next video I'll be showing you some basic concepts regarding IDLE, and one IDE I'll be installing, that is PyCharm, but we will not code over there. Also we will be coding somewhere else. Okay, so I'll be showing you later on in the later videos. So till then, keep watching.